So let's color this Swami Vivekananda with oil pastel. So first you have to erase the lines and make it very light, and then start with the eyes first. I have used light grey color for the eye white part. Then I have used dark brown color. It became too small, so I have used a pencil holder to make it bigger. After this you have to use black color. Then for blending, use a paper stump. Now I am using brown color. So we will go from dark to light shade. All the colors name are mentioned on the screen. So first you have to use brown color. This is not dark one, the lighter shade of brown. Use a 50 shade to color this drawing. If you don't have a 50 shade, then try with the 25 shade of oil pastel. But I will recommend you to use Dome's oil pastel for better blending. After brown color I have used orange and then yellow ochre for the face. You have to leave all the white gaps that I am doing right now. First I'll do the right part and then I'll switch to the left part. So you can see how I am doing the shading with brown color. You have to use both light and dark shade. The corners you can see I'm using little darker, and then slowly it is becoming lighter. The light parts you have to use orange color. This is the light orange color, not that dark vermilion one. And then finally we will use yellow ochre. Now I am using flesh tint color to blend all that light part. Now this is the very important thing, is you have to fold the napkin as I have done. Then slowly you have to blend the face. After blending, again I am shading the face with dark brown color. This is the pencil holder that I am using, as my brown color became very small. You can also make your colors bigger by using this type of pencil holder. So as I am making the face realistic, so I am using 3-4 colors to make it more realistic, and blending with 3 important things: paper stump, cotton bud and tissue paper. These 3 major things you have to use for blending the drawing. Lastly, I have used white color for the white highlights, and then black color. Everything you can see is with oil pastel only. In this drawing I have not used any color pencil. Everything will be only with oil pastel. So start recreating this drawing and listen to this beautiful background music.